Dear students, good morning. Good morning to all of you. Today I will go for a demo class. That means the class in which I will teach you the basic thing about physics. Okay, so that you can comprehend it better. Okay. So follow this class minutely. Foremost, I should ask you a single question. Do you know what is dynamics? Do you know what is dynamics? Tell me. What is dynamics? The body which is in motion. Dynamics means the body which is in motion. Okay? The body which is in motion. Okay? And what is particle? You know? Particle is that body for which its volume tends to 0 and having definite positive mass. What is particle? Particle is that body for which the volume is 0 or tends to 0. Clear? That is particle. Another example I am giving you, so far as rotational dynamics is concerned, suppose a train is moving from here and it goes to Delhi. If it leaves from originating station means the station from where it originates is Howrah and it goes to Delhi. The distance is nearly 1400 kilometers approximately. So with reference to this long distance, the train is having certain volume, but we consider the train as a particle because with reference to long distance. Okay, how we visualize it? Suppose you are here. If you fly in the sky, if you remain in an plane, then what you will see? Is it visible from the window of a aeroplane to visualize everybody properly? The actual shape and size not as a point. Okay, that is a concept of point. Do you follow me? With respect to the distance, large distance. Suppose it is Howrah. It is Howrah. And another is New Delhi. New Delhi. The distance is nearly 1400 kilometers. Approximately. If a train runs from here and reaches here, it is having certain volume, na? I have drawn a single, but multiple compartments are there. Then this is a particle. That is also the concept of a particle. Do you follow me or not? Today I will help you to learn the basic thing about physics. আমরা যে ফিজিক্সটা পড়ি সেখানে আমরা সব সময় কি করি? Always we visualize it arbitrarily. Not arbitrary. You can correlate it with your daily life. প্রতিদিনের জীবনের সঙ্গে এটাকে আমি কোরিলেট করতে পারি। দ্যাট ইজ ফিজিক্স। এবং সেখানে পড়ে মজা আছে। প্রত্যেকটা প্রবলেম নিজে যখন করতে পারো আরো আনন্দ আমার বেশি হয়। আমি ক্লিয়ার অর নট? তো এইটা হলো আমার মোটামুটি একটা ডিনামিক্সের পার্ট। ডিনামিক্সকে এবার আমি দুটো পার্টে ভাগ করতে পারি। একটা হলো কাইনেমেটিক্স, অ্যানাদার কাইনেটিক্স। তো আমি এইটাকে বুঝবো না কোনটাই, আমি রাখবো এটাকে পুরোটাই। এটা হচ্ছে কাইনেটিক্স, কাইনেমেটিক্স, ফার্স্ট কাইনেমেটিক্স, and the other is kinetics. Do you follow me? Do you follow it? This is kinematics and another is kinetics. So what is kinematics? What is kinematics? You tell me. Tell me.
That's the kinematics is the branch of physics that deals with the equation of
Kinematics is the branch of physics which deals with the equation of motion mechanically. Not, we do not know why motion is there. The reason behind the motion is not known. Okay, in kinematics, reason behind the motion is not discussed. In kinetics, reason behind the motion is discussed. Reason behind the motion is discussed. Okay, is it clear or not? Reason behind the motion is discussed. This is the difference between kinetics and kinematics. What is Newton's laws of motion? Newton's laws of motion, NLM. This is very important. And here we deal with certain equations mechanical. Here we deal with certain equations mechanical. Do you follow me or not? Then you see what I do here. Actually, in kinematics, what do? We deal with certain equations like S equals to Vt, V equals to U plus At, V square equals to U square plus twice As, S equals to Ut plus half At square, and the another is St equals to U plus half A into 2t minus 1. Which one is larger, this one or this? I will tell you later on, gradually I will tell you. All these are kinematical equations. These are all kinematical equations. Only we deal with such equations, we do not know the reason behind motion. What is V? V here, constant velocity. What is V? Constant velocity. And T, time. Am I clear? Constant velocity means uniform velocity. It means instead of writing this, you write here uniform velocity. What do you write? Uniform. That is also constant velocity. Here, V, in this equation, V, final velocity. What it is? Final velocity. And what is U? U is initial velocity. And A is acceleration. What type of acceleration it is? Acceleration is constant acceleration. It is not variable at all. We will vary it. Here it is not variable. Okay, you follow me? Then what is the meaning of these equations? Here it is final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is do, and S is the displacement. or distance traveled. Distance and displacement both are identical type of term, but they are not same. Okay, distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. So this is displacement. This is displacement. Do you follow me? Displacement. Here, u know, u means initial velocity. A, uniform acceleration. T, time. S, displacement. And what it is? Here it is T. ST means U. Distance traveled in Tth time. In Tth time. Here what is the meaning of this? This is very important equations. This is very important equations. Distance or displacement. Displacement traverses in Tth second. What is the meaning of this? Tth second means here, suppose you have started here with velocity u and you have reached this point from A to B, and this is S equals to ut plus half at square. Am I clear? And if it is asked that in Tth time how much distance is it traveled, then you have to, you can, it is for T time it is Tth time T, this is T minus 1 second. What is the meaning of T minus 1 second? Suppose 4 seconds. A distance traveled by a particle in 4 seconds, that is S equals to ut plus half ft square. And if I tell you 4th second means end of 3rd second and initiation of 4th second. Am I clear? So then you can write, if you write T as 4, then you are seeing here when it reaches here B dash T minus 4, 4 minus 1, 3, end of 3rd second means initiation of 4th second. So during 4th second, distance traveled by the particle, that is this one, this is this. What I can write? I can write here St equals to ut plus half at square minus u into t minus 1 plus half a into t minus 1 a whole square. If you subtract this, you do it in your copy, then if you subtract the two, what you will get? You will get a result like this. If you subtract the two, you will get a result like this. I am not doing this in your blackboard, in this your smartboard. Unnecessary wastage of time, you can calculate it. Okay? If you fail to calculate, then I can help you. I suppose you all will be able to calculate it. Tth time, the distance traveled in Tth time, that means total time S equals to ut plus half ft square minus ut minus 1 plus half a into t minus 1 whole square. If you take the difference of the two, you will get this result. Am I clear or not? Okay. Now I am drawing a curve. Very easy curve. You see here. This curve is nothing but like this. This is actually time and this is actually velocity. This is called Vt curve. This is Vt curve. Okay. And you see here, this is origin O, A, B and C. And what is S? S is nothing but the product of V and T. Product of V and T means area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Just to see, area means in two dimension. Area is a 2 dimension, but the product is 1 dimension. Area is in 2 dimension, but product is in 1 dimension. Am I clear or not? So S equals to Vt, because V means always it is constant. Okay, and if you wish to draw a curve based on this equation, what type of curve it will be? It will be a curve like this. V equals to U plus At. This is T and this is V. You know, T is independent variable. We always, this is our rule or norm, we always place independent variable along x-axis. Independent variable along x-axis and dependent that of y-axis. Do you follow me? Clear or not? Just you see, here this curve is actually, this is actually theta. It is a constant. Isn't it? Is it not a constant? So what type of curve it is? If it is U, this is U. And this curve is V equals to U plus 80. This line is actually indicating V equals to U plus 80. Am I clear or not? And the third one is that if you write like this, suppose this one, this is time and this is velocity. And if you wish to find the area, this is actually V. Actually this is velocity and this is time. If you wish to find the area, this is U. If you wish to find the area, what will be the area? O, A, B, C. This is area. What type of area it is? It is actually trapezium. How I calculate trapezium? Half. Yes. Then area of trapezium is equals to area of trapezium means how much? Half into sum of two parallel sides. And this one is actually V. Parallel sides means U plus V. Okay? These are parallel sides. This one is U and this is V. And into perpendicular distance between them, that is T. That is O to A means T into T. This is V S equals to UT plus U plus V by V into T. Okay? Then if you write here, what you can write? You can write here half. Instead of writing that U, you can write V equals to U plus AT. Instead of writing V, you can write V plus AT into T. Am I clear or not? V equals to U plus AT. Then if you add up the two, you will get like this, UT plus half AT squared. You do it, 2U by 2, that is U into T, half into AT into T, half AT squared. That is the area means, this is the area of the trapezium is this. It is a graphical presentation of displacement, where there is a initial velocity, there is a acceleration of the body, acceleration is constant. It is not always likely that in your NEET exam they will give you constant acceleration. Acceleration may be A proportional to, what can I say? They may say like this, x to the power n, like this. Then you can put the value and get the result. Okay? And what is the result? What will be the V square? How you can prove V? You can prove V in the same way. You can prove V in the same way. How you can prove V? Just S equals to half, take a note, half U plus V into T, isn't it? Then what you can write? U plus V into AT by T. AT by T. What it is? AT by, sorry. AT by T is not A. AT is there, AT by A. AT by A. Then what you can write? You can write like this, twice AS equals to B plus U, and AT means what? AT means V minus U. AT means V minus U. And again you can write V minus U. So V square minus U square. So V square minus U square equals to twice A. So what you can write? You can write V square equals to U square plus twice AS. All these are very important. Okay, graphically I have proved in a nutshell, in short, the shortest interval of time I have done it. And now you see the distance traveled in kth time. That means this is t minus 1, and what it is? It is 1. Then you can find the area of the trapezium is, it is B1 and this is A1. Here area of the trapezium A1, B1, B. Half sum of parallel sides in the way you can calculate ST even. I am passing on. Okay? These are the basic thing about. Now you see what is the, do you follow me? পরিষ্কার বুঝতে পেরেছিস? ভেলোসিটি মানে কি? ভেলোসিটি মানে ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট বাই টাইম। অ্যাক্সেলারেশন মানে কি? চেঞ্জিং ভেলোসিটি বাই টাইম। ক্লিয়ার? এই দুটো জিনিস একদম পরিষ্কার বুঝে গেছিস? এইবার বাকিটা কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। এবার আমি ক্যালকুলাসে নোটেশন ইউজ করব। হোয়াট নোটেশন আই উইল ইউজ? ক্যালকুলাসে। কীভাবে করবো? আমি ফার্স্টে আমি নোটেশন ইউজ করব এক্স, ভি আর এ আর টি, এগুলো থাকবে। তাহলে ভি মানে কি? ভি মানে ডিএক্স ডিটি, ডিএক্স ডিডিটি অফ এক্স। এক্সকে একবার ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করলে তবেই ভেলোসিটি। কী করে পাই? কেন পাই? হাউ আই গেট ইট? দিস ইজ ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট বাই টাইম। Okay, nothing else. This is displacement by time. This is called instantaneous velocity. This is called instantaneous velocity. What type of velocity it is? You can write instantaneous velocity. Am I clear? Then what the next? A. A means dv dt. Isn't it? The change in velocity by time. The change in velocity by time. That means it is velocity by time. This is also called instantaneous, no, acceleration. Acceleration. Deceleration. Okay? B and A. And I can write A in other way also. How I can write A? You just see. A, it is very important. A equals to dv dx dt. That means dv dx dt means v. dv dx. This is also one of the relations. This is also one of the relations. Chola. This is also this is also one of the relations. This is also one of the relations. Clear? Am I clear or not? Just to see what relations are derived here. V equals to dx dt, or you can write ds dt. Instead of writing x, you can write s also. And another is A equals to what you can write? dv dt. What is the meaning of this? This is the changing velocity by time. And also you can write here A equals to dv dx and dx dt. dx dt means velocity. So you can write here dv dx into velocity. Or you can write in this way also, v into dv by dx. Or anybody can write like this, A equals to v into dv by ds. Am I clear or not? In terms of dv dx also you can write. Okay, dv dx dx dt. Okay, and dv ds, this also. Whatever the equation be, all these are the notation of calculus. Okay, what is the meaning of instantaneous velocity? Okay, instantaneous meaning is, suppose it is a velocity, na? Velocity means what? Velocity means displacement by time, na? If you take the limit, what you can write? Delta t tends to 0. Suppose a body is moving in this way, you wish to find a velocity at this point. That means the point, if you want a point, then the time interval will be 0. If you want a point, the time interval will be 0. Then what will be the equation? Limit del t tends to 0, del s del t. That means equals to what? ds dt. What it is? dv equals to ds. This is a instantaneous velocity. How I have written? In terms of limit. In terms of limit, conception of limit. আমি তাহলে তোদের একটা লিমিটের কনসেপ্ট এখানে দিলাম, একটু অনেকটা আগে শুরু হয়েছে বলে তোরা হয়তো এটা বুঝতে পারবি না, বিকজ এর আগেও ক্লাসটা প্রায় আধ ঘন্টা স্টার্ট হয়ে গিয়েছে। ওকে, সেটা তোদের আমি পরে বলে দেবো। ক্লিয়ার? তো এখন আমি যেটা করব, এখন থেকে যেটা করবো সেগুলো তোরা মোটামুটি একটু একটু করে বুঝতে পারবি। ঠিক আছে? ওকে, তাহলে আমি ক্যালকুলাসের নোটেশন ইউজ করে দেখালাম কাইনেমেটিক্স, আর কাইনেটিক্সের মধ্যে তফাৎ দেখালাম। আচ্ছা, এবার বল যে নিউটনস লজ অফ মোশনের মধ্যে একটা ফ্রেম আছে, ফ্রেম অফ রেফারেন্স আছে। তো কি ধরনের ফ্রেম অফ রেফারেন্স আছে নিউটনস লজ অফ মোশন? হোয়াট টাইপস অফ ফ্রেম অফ রেফারেন্স ইট ইজ? নিউটনস লজ অফ মোশন ডিলস উইথ হোয়াট টাইপস অফ ফ্রেম অফ রেফারেন্স? ফ্রেম অফ রেফারেন্স মানে কি? ধর আমি এখানে রয়েছি, আই এম হিয়ার ইন দিস রুম। ওকে, all of my students are here, I am also here. With reference to this room, I am moving. So I am considering the entire room is not moving, it's stationary. With reference to the entire room, I am moving. Na? So that is reference term. In the universe, everything is moving. There is no term like absolute rest or absolute motion. Why? Suppose you are in this planet, na? This planet is revolving around the sun. Sun is a stellar body, star. Do you think sun is fixed? Do you think so? How it is in motion? Who can tell me? What type of motion the sun is maintaining? Who can tell me? Tell me. Actually, every stellar body, every stars going away from each other, it is called expanding universe. একটা নক্ষত্র বা একটা স্টার আর একটা স্টারের থেকে সবসময় দূরে চলে যাচ্ছে, তাহলে এটা একটা লিনিয়ার মোশনে আছে। তাহলে আমি যেটাকে যে সানটাকে আমি ভাবছি স্টেশনারি উইথ রেফারেন্স টু আমার পৃথিবী, সেটা কিন্তু স্টেশনারি নয়, সেটাও কিন্তু একটা চলছে। আমি এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি, ধর ও এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, দুজনেই, আমি এদিকে চলে গেলাম, ও ওদিকে চলে গেলাম। এটাই স্টারগুলো করছে।